Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi Q5 vs XUV700 full comparison. Listen closely as I focus on core differences in design, performance, tech, safety, and ownership costs to help you choose. I will walk through engines, cabin comfort, infotainment, and typical running expenses so you know which model fits your priorities. Stay tuned for clear comparisons, practical pros and cons, and tips to spot real value in each vehicle. Let's talk performance and handling in plain terms so you can picture real driving. I will compare acceleration, steering feel, ride comfort, and how each SUV behaves on highways and city streets. We will highlight engine characteristics, transmission responses, and the effective drive modes on everyday usability and spirited driving. By the end, you will understand which model suits commuting, long trips, or more dynamic driving preferences. In this video, I will compare Audi Q5 vs XUV700 full comparison. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers seen here as a useful life hack for busy drivers and road trips. They keep lunches tidy and reduce spills in your trunk. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I will explain interior comfort and technology features to help you assess daily usability. We'll compare seating comfort, cargo flexibility, display layout, and how intuitive each infotainment system feels. I will point out standard safety tech and optional upgrades so you know what matters most for convenience and peace of mind. Expect simple guidance on which interior suits family needs versus a more premium experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.